Hello and welcome to another update video about Cosmos Atom. I had a few requests again to update Cosmos because it did come down quite a lot together with other cryptos, and therefore I'd like to show you or share with you one of the MCO Classics episodes. Yeah, so just really to show you what I said back in January about Cosmos Atom, and at that point we were at $40 prices we can only dream about now. Bear in mind, things can change very quickly in the crypto market, and now we are at the lower end, but in a similar fashion, we can also be up there very soon again. From here, I would expect the target level for that retracement here to sit between $22 and $12. And that is all based on, again, the Fibonacci levels for that wave C. We would need to see that finalization of that correction purely because this is what I would expect for, well, a wave C normally comes down below wave A. And to be fair, what I want to... So, and this is this area, $12, and what was it, $12.40 or something. So let's take a look at where we actually came to. So we came to exactly that 88.7% Fibonacci level here around $12. We reached it, we touched it, we retraced away from it. We had a bit of a reaction, but we have touched it perfectly. I think with the accuracy of, I don't know, probably the only reason why it hasn't hit it perfectly was because I've not been accurate enough with the fibs here. No, but anyway, joke aside, it has been really accurate, and it has worked out finally. Move down, corrective move up, move down. So this is currently where we are here, and this was the most or the more bullish scenario. We now have to look at, is it really realistic that we are going to hold here this level, $12.91, or $12.15 actually, or whatever, $12, the 88.7% Fibonacci level that is around $12. That's just how it is. And this was sort of in the current scenario, the lowest area of the target area, not a problem, because in this target area it's sitting between two Fibonacci levels, $12 and $15.74, what I also mentioned in the video back then. Now we've obviously reached already the lowest part of that target area. So can we drop lower? Yes, we could. In the worst case for Cosmos, we could still go to the next higher level wave count. So if this doesn't work out for whatever reason and we drop below this, so first of all, we could still drop to the beginning of the wave. So we could still drop to $7.84. The problem is if a cryptocurrency drops below the 88.7% Fibonacci level for a long time, it's not looking that good. But the good thing is we don't need to be scared at the moment, because we can still move the fibs down to the next lower level, so the higher level wave. And from that point of view, then it still has space to drop all the way down to $6.12, maybe even lower if I was to start the fibs at 0. But at the moment, I'm going to stick with it until we break below $7.84, because at that point, then this wave count will be invalidated and we have to go to the next higher one. Personally, I don't think the $12 will hold. I think we are going to see still lower prices. My view is that the overall correction in the crypto market hasn't finished yet, but Cosmos has a lot of space still to drop. As I said, it could in the current scenario still drop to $7.84, even though it wouldn't be great. But in that case, we could then go to the next higher level wave count and extend it out a little bit. And from that point of view, then it could still drop to $6.12. So that's fine. Anyway, overall spot on. I think I want you, and hopefully you at least came to your own conclusions based on my warnings, that we really can see here a sell-off back in January that was, and we dropped down from $40 to $12. Hopefully it saved some people some money. Cosmos is now significantly, no, not oversold on the weekly, but on the daily it is. On the weekly we still have a little bit of space to drop lower, but it is pretty much at the same level as it was here in March 2020. So on the weekly, it has come down a lot. So this chart is looking much better than many other cryptocurrencies first of all, from a retracement point of view at the moment, because it has come down quite a lot, but it's still holding quite well. It is already quite a lot down here on the weekly RSI, which is quite good. If it's quite low, the MACD on the weekly is also very low already. So all of that is quite good. The monthly is still a little bit too high for me. That worries me a little bit, similar to Bitcoin. So that is the only thing that annoys me a little bit and worries me a little bit. But on the 4-day chart as well, here nearly oversold. So that is what we want to see. But now we need to see the turnaround here at some point. On the daily, we are oversold, but also here the MACD still coming down further. No sign of a, no bullish signals that the correction could be over. Even here, the 4-hour chart tried to create a bullish crossover on the MACD. This has been prevented, and we are already on our way down again. So yeah, it's looking critical. I think we're going to lose the $12 level, honestly. But then the next key level would be that $7.84 level, and it still has space to drop a little bit lower. So I'm not worried about Cosmos, but I think correction isn't over. I don't see any bullish signal yet, and what I'm waiting for to really get a better, I show that in various videos now, but really to get an understanding that the correction is over, we need to see a 5-wave move and a corrective move down, and then we can be certain that the overall correction is over. When you then see here at the end of the correction another green candle, then we can be, nothing is guaranteed, right? But we can then at least be a little bit more certain. So this kind of impulse, when we have a 5-wave move up, it suggests that the down or the trend is shifting back into an uptrend. And that is what I'm looking out for. And I'm definitely going to keep you aware of it. And if you don't want to miss it, then subscribe to the channel. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.